Disney on Ice, yeah. They have that here? No.
We do have.
They have Disney on Ice here?
But I think
Christmas time only.
on Christmas time.
Where at? Mall of Asia?
Yeah.
Mall of Asia.
Araneta Center.
Araneta Center.
Oh. They do have in Hong Kong.
They have Disneyland there too, I think.
In Hong Kong, there's Disneyland.
Disneyland, yeah.
In Anaheim, right? The
I'm not
Disneyland?
sure. I
It's
think
in
there's...
Anaheim, I
Where?
think. Anaheim. I don't know
what?
specific.
California.
I think so.
I think there's one in Hong Kong though.
Yes,
Yeah.
there's one.
Or somewhere,
There's one,
yeah.
yeah.
It's probably not as big as like the original, but there's one in
In
Florida,
Anaheim.
one in California.
California, there's
Where?
Universal too.
California is Disneyland. Florida is Disney World.
Magkaiba pala yun, anak.
Disney
Disney
World.
Disney World and
Disney World is huge.
Disneyland.
Disney World
Ulit
is
nitong
huge.
isa, oh. Ulit to.
Compared to
It's
Disneyland.
like 10 parks in one, yeah. Yeah, Disneyland is Disney World's bigger.
Disney World, anak.
Ayan, hindi ko nakita
Gusto
kung
na
sino
natin
yan.
yun.
Disney World. You tell Grandma to take you to Disney World.
Smile! Smile! What's your name?
Hopefully, years from now.
We don't have to earn money.
Yeah.
Oh no!
We don't have enough money to go there, she said.
No! We have money!
Yeah, you have money? Not enough.
But it's not enough.
You need visa.
No!
Yeah.
But I want to go to the Barbie house
Look.
too.
Your Barbie house?
Ay, may accent yan.
May
Send you
accent
pictures,
ah.
okay?
Okay, speak English. What's your name?
So cute.
Francesca.
She's always practicing her
Francesca.
English because she likes Barbie movies,
Yeah.
B-movies.
You practice your
everything.
English, huh?
Yeah.
I like movies.
See? She understands.
I like Barbie.
Barbie.
Barbie. Always wants to
Cinderella.
be Cinderella.
Snow White.
Yeah.
All of the Disney princesses.
Okay, make
Yeah.
a goodbye
My
goodbye
granddaughter's
speech
like
to
the same
David.
thing.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. What else?
Hello.
See you.
See you.
Hello. How are you?
See you.
I am fine.
See you in 6 months.
See you 6 months.
Anak, papagawa ulit siya ng ipin after 6 months. Pagawa siya ng
Be a
ipin.
dentist, you can
I know you like Barbie now. I'll bring you something Barbie.
Mom, look what face do.
Oh, wow. Accent.
I got it recorded.
What's the little one's name?
Look,
What?
What's the little one's name?
she drew
Faye.
this.
Faye?
Faith Natalie.
No.
Natalie?
Yes.
You put
Francesca?
Nicole.
Ano sabi niya?
Yes, that's Marie.
Maria.
Marie Angel.
Marie?
Yeah, I the only
Yeah.
Maria or Marie?
Marie.
Marie Angel.
Babay na, oh, babay na. You live in the States?
In the States, yeah. Minnesota.
Hindi mo pa alam yung state, no?
You
should memorize.
There's so many provinces
I'll
there.
drop you off at Grandma's, okay? In New York? Nah, then you miss Mommy and you miss your sister and your
Hi.
daddy.
High five. Ooh.
Hey.
Hug.
Where's my hand?
Hug.
Oh,
Kiss. 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 Kiss Uncle Dave.
Wow.
Huh?
He's going home
Stay here?
tomorrow.
No, I'm leaving tomorrow for going to the United States. Time for me to go home. No, I gotta go back to the States tomorrow.
Friend of Tito.
Hello. Tomorrow I go on an airplane.
That's now.
You dancing?
Hey, dance.
Hey, hey, hey.
That's now. Faye, dance. Dance, Faye.
Meron daming video nito, no?
Kulit niya.
Oo.
Sobrang kulit niya.
She wants me to do dance too.
Wala kang accent.
Yeah. Such are from USA. My God.
Say cheese.
Hey, she's smile, smile. Faye, smile.
Hey, hey.
Faye, smile, smile.